How to combine videos on Instagram Reels. Let's get started. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. At the bottom, you will find different options. Tap on this plus option. With that, your gallery will open up. Now at the bottom right, you're going to find different options as post, story, reel and live. Select the option of reel. Now you can select the video or click the video for your reel. Here I'm going to select this one. After you select the video, you can see this option of edit video. Tap on it. Now here you will get this option of add clips. Tap on it. Again, your gallery will open up. Now you can select any of the video for your reel, or also you can shoot the video. If you want to do so, you can tap on the option of camera. For now, I'm going to select this one video. You can see that I have selected 2 clips for my Instagram reel. You will get different options at the very bottom. You can use these options to edit your video. You can split the video, or also you can increase or decrease the speed of the video. Also, you can add another video clip as well. If you want to do so, you can tap on the option of add clip. So this was all for this video. This is how you can easily combine videos on Instagram Reel. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.